Okay, guys, I don't have shares to trade this one SPU, but this is an amazing ABCD pattern. Look at this. This is fucking awesome. I love the pattern, and as you can see right here, 3.60 could be B, and could be the stop loss. As I said, I don't have position, but I like to watch this thing ramp up, the price action. Colmex didn't have shares. Look at this. This is fucking awesome. This is breaking. This spike is fucking huge. Breaking 4, and I think this is going to be at 4.50 at least, because it's a huge low floater. 3.80 was like the point of the breakout, and pretty clean ABCD pattern. Pretty clean. Look at this. The price action, the level 2. Look at the daily, breaking all the resistance. All we don't have, it's an open sky, and when something like this happen, it's pretty awesome. So in these cases, you have to be really slow. You have to be really conscious about the risk that these low floaters have. As you can see, the volume continue rising. Really nice candle. Really nice histogram on the volume. This is the perfect ABCD. Look at this. This is A, the top, the first top, B, the first support, and C, my breakout formation right here. Okay? Look at this. Beautiful ascending triangle, ascending wedge, and D, as you know, on the top at 4.10. So right now the risk that these involve are pretty nothing, because right now you can take the half of the position and let the other half run, maybe for 4.50, and you have right now, if you trade this one and you know how to trade it, you took half on this, on the D point, and this squeeze up, but it's a low floater. You never know where is the top, especially in this case because we don't have resistance. So I think this is going to ramp like an open sky. That's fucking awesome. That's fucking awesome on this kind of setups. Fortunately, I didn't have shares, but I was watching this really close. Sky People fruit juice. So look at this. Look at the spreads that this managed. For a $4 stock, 10 cents is a huge percentage, and this one had. So you need to enter with a little position. Well, you know your risk. When you have this ABCD is the advantage of a pattern like this. You know the stop loss, you know the target, and you know your risk benefit, and that's a huge advantage in trading, because you are not trading against anything. Only you have a system, a pretty clear system, and that's it. You trade with that. Look at this beautiful pattern. Continue ramping. I think it's going to break the high of the day. Okay, we are breaking. Look at this. The spread is pretty huge, but it's ramping. Okay, we find some resistance at 4.50. We're close to 4.50, so I think we are going to break that level. Look at the level 2. It's pretty hard to read the level 2 in these low float stocks. Okay, it's pretty hard. Why? Because we have a lot of spread. We don't have a lot of shares available to trade, and actually that's why I can't trade this one, because my broker Colmex only have shares from for stocks and not for CFDs. So they need to generate buying shares of some stock, and in this case they didn't have, because it's a low float. Look at the 5. Look at 5. The half of penny, huge level of resistance. If we can break that level, we will see this thing going to the sky. Look at this. It's breaking. I think this is the last target for an ABCD because it's pretty overextended. So the corrections on these volatile stocks are pretty huge. So I know I didn't have position, but I want you to learn with me how these behave, how these kind of momo stocks, these patterns behave. So thank you so much for watching, and if you know how to trade this, you can easily have right now a lot of cents per share, at least 60 cents, and talking in a percentage level is pretty huge. See you next time, guys.